Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about the ignore object size that's within the ScanNCut machine. I've stamped 3 images here in black memento ink onto a piece of card and I've stuck this onto my regular mat. You'll see here that there's a small ink mark, and because I'm not using a scanning mat, when I go to do a direct cut with my ScanNCut machine, it's likely that the machine will pick up stray parts that it will want to try and cut. I'm going to load the mat into the machine. I'm going to choose Scan, Direct Cut. I'm going to choose the machine because that's where I'm temporarily going to store the memory, and I'm going to say Go. The machine is going to scan the 3 hand-stamped images that are on my mat. I can see the 3 frogs now here on the screen. I'm going to drag in the red arrows and isolate that area of the card. I'm going to say OK and wait for the machine to recognise and see what else it picks up. OK, it's picked up the ink mark on the bottom and it's picked up these stray cut lines on the edge of the card. I'm going to choose Ignore Object Size, and on the plus against height, I'm going to take the measurement up until those marks on the card start to grey out and disappear, but my frogs remain. So I'm doing it one step at a time and to see that all the parts have gone, but that the frogs are still remaining. I'm now going to say OK. I'm going to say OK again, and then I'm going to go into the offset icon. I'm going to choose that, hit the plus once to take the offset to 0.04. I can now see the 3 frogs on my mat, and I'm going to say OK, cut and start. The machine is now going to cut the frogs out for me with a 0.04 outline. Okay, so this is nearly finished. I'm just going to lift a corner of the card and make sure that my blade was on the right setting and that the frogs have cut out. I'm now going to unload the mat and I'll show you how it's cut. So I'm just going to remove the card. So because I use the delete object size, the machine hasn't tried to cut any stray bits of ink that's on this card, and it didn't try to cut anything else it picked up once it was doing the background scan. So here are the 3 frogs all cut out with the 0.04 background. I hope you found that helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.